What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV. I have 3 cases, that's right, cases for the AirPods Pro. These are my favorite earbuds currently at the time of making this video, and these are a $250 investment, and you might want to protect them with a case from Linklike. So we're going to go through all these cases and I'll tell you what I think and all of that. So let's jump into these. And all of these cases are about 15 bucks or less. There's coupons on them. Just check the links out down below if you like any of these and to pick one up. First of all, we've got the marble ones right here, and these marble ones are a plastic, you know, nothing heavy duty in terms of like they're like don't bend or anything like that. They all these 2 marble ones exactly the same, just different patterns. So they're like a plastic. The pink one here is more of like a rubbery, it feels like it would bounce, protective one. Really cool. It also has this little piece right here. It's going to allow you, it actually comes with a case. You can take it in, off or on. Just push it through that little hole at the bottom there in the corner, and it'll allow you to hold your earbuds really easily. And then also you have this one, which is they call it a shock-proof case, and it's more, it doesn't really bend. It's hard to press. It's just interesting to have cases for AirPods. That's all I'll say. So let's get into this. The first one we'll do is this pink one. And you can tell the way you're gonna set this one up really easily because you can see the button right there in the middle. And obviously you want that to correspond with the button right here. So just press that in as much as you can so that it goes right into this case. And then once you have that all good and secured, what you wanna do is you wanna make sure that this part is going to be open, so just press that right in there. And then once you have it on, you can see it automatically when you open this up, it stays on the top, so you don't have to worry about that falling off. You can hold this right here, so it, you know, if you want to grip this much easier so you don't drop it, and you don't have to hold on to it, you get that ability to do that. Also, this does wirelessly charge. I'm going to pull the wireless charger in here real quick, and I believe the button's right there, so we should see it light up, and you can see it lights up. So even with these cases on, all of them, including this one, it will wirelessly charge, which is awesome. And then you have access, obviously, at the bottom to the port, which the cord will go in there very easily. See, there you go. No problems with getting the case to plug in. And then just taking the case off if you ever need to. It's pretty simple. This one's actually one of the simpler ones to do. This one, just squeeze the case and it literally slides off. Very simple to get this one off. Next, let's do the shock-proof one. Get this all lined up. Press it in there. And that's it. Goes on super simple, super quick as well. It's going to be shock-proof like they said. This one, the other 3 cases here, they have, instead of the little grip that you would have down here, they have a little hole in here. If you have, it doesn't come with a string, but if you put a little string or something in there, it will allow you to put in a string and hold this on very, very easily as well. And again, there you go, ultra protection. I'll show you wireless charging works without having to remove the case. Also plugging in the cable works great. And again, this one is their Linklike shock-proof case. Going to be good for drop protection because of this outer, you know, black lining, and also it's just a harder case than the rest of them. Take this one off, slide that top part off, and then what you want to do to get this case off is push from the bottom first. I always find that to be the easiest, and then kind of just work your way up a little bit. You kind of just shimmy it off. And then lastly, we have these marble cases. So let's get these marble cases on. And this one works exactly like the other ones do. You open it up. I think personally the way these ones look the best. I really like this white marble because it almost looks like it's part of the way the case is already. So I think it, you know, hides it a little bit better. But the other ones are cool as well if you want that kind of design. You're going to get the same be able to wirelessly charge with this, and you can also see the LED notification light in there. Plugging in the lightning cable works great. And then also remember, like I said, these other two cases as well have that little part where you can put in a little piece of string or some sort and hold this on with your finger or your hand, so you don't have to directly hold the case. The only problem I have with these last two cases is actually getting them off. Again, just push up from the middle by holding the sides first. These ones I've had a little bit of issue getting these off. I've had to wrestle these a little bit. So that's really the only downfall I have about these two cases. I like the way these ones look the best, but getting them off, it can be a little bit of a pain in the butt. You do have to shimmy it and wrestle it just ever so much. And then lastly, let's just check out the black marble case. Looks very, very cool. You can still see LED indicator light ever so slightly. There it is. Even though it's black, you can still kind of see it. So let's just go through these cases one more time. What I like, what I don't like. These two, I can get them off. It just takes a little bit of extra time in order to get these off. The best method of getting this off is really just to keep pushing it from the bottom through this little hole, and eventually you'll kind of shimmy it out. I think they look the coolest personally out of these four cases. These are the ones I would personally choose. All of these cases are under 15 bucks. These are going to be great for scratch protection. A small drop, I would say, with these two specific cases, but definitely with scratches and just making it look cooler. The pink rubber one is really cool for drop protection and just protection overall from drops, scratches. It's also pink, so females and other people that love pink are probably going to love this as well. And it fits it like a glove. Plus, it's super simple to get off. So if you wanted to, get this off in a pinch, you're gonna have no problems with getting this specific case off. And then lastly, the shockproof case, gonna be great for drop protection, for scratches, and you also get the ability to see the beauty or the lack of color, the whiteness of your AirPods Pro. And all of these cases, like I said, under 15 bucks, all wirelessly charged, all have some form of being able to put a little extra string or something in there and be able to hold them. And all of them are linked down below. Let me know what your favorite case is in the comments down below of these four, and I'll see you down the road. Peace.